Welcome everyone, I'm Derek from My Beautiful Dog, and in today's video we have a very special guest named Raina.
You got it, you got it. Oh, you are so smart, I didn't even have to tell you. You are just the most brilliant puppy ever.
Raina is a dog lover and a dog trainer. She has been connected with animals and dogs since she was a child.
Hey friends, I'm Raina. I'm here with my new pal, Gus the Golden Retriever. We're in Ontario, Canada, and one of the things that Gus has invited me to do is come and meet with his family. They are having some challenges relating to each other. So I'm not a dog trainer, I'm actually a relationship coach between humans and their companion animals. What I offer is a way for the humans and the dogs, or horses, to interact with each other. So when folks ask me to come and train their dog, what they're really asking for is for me to reshape the relationship that they have with their animal. When they say they want their dog to stop pulling on the leash, which is a common challenge, I come in and explain to them why they might be actually facilitating the pull. And when we work together, so I connect with the humans on a life coaching perspective, and I work with the animals on understanding the boundaries and the framework that they need to work in within the relationship of the human dynamic, then we have a consensual relationship with your companion canine.
Let's look at some of the experiences and relationships with the dogs she's had over the years.
What were you doing? Where were you running, my love? You got like... Are you going camouflage? Camouflage puppy! Ahoy! Suki, suki, suki! You are just so cute. You are so cute, yes. Yes, you in the front row. You're lovely. You're lovely. I love how you just keep climbing on stuff. You want to try something? Okay, this will be the last thing, I promise. See if you can go from there to here. Yes! Super! You are awesome. Can you do your footwork? Can you manage your feet and do it again? Oh, okay. That was a little rushed, wasn't it? It was a little rushed. How about we land on the... Okay. How about we try again? Yes, you got that one. You've got that one, super. Okay, so let's turn your feet. Okay, now we're... Okay. Now that you're ready, and you're balanced, now you can come. Land on this one. You can do it. I have faith in you. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, 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 yes! Oh! Super! Super! Puppies! Puppy, 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 puppy! Hello. 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 Hi, everybody. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Go get it. You hear it. Go find it. Go find it. Find it. Puppies, let's go. Let's go, puppies. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, puppies. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yay. Good job. Good job, everybody. Good job.
Raina also trains service dogs for multiple of different situations. Some of them include common POTS, auditory services, and stability services. There are way too many here to list, but if you're interested, you can always email me and I will send you the list of all the different services. In this video, she is training the service dog to navigate public spaces, teaching it how to handle approaching crowds, and to support individuals in noisy, crowded environments.
Oh, no worries.
Yes, good job. Good job, my love. Thank you.
Step, 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 step. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Step, 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 step. Yes.
Good job.
Okay, now don't fuss with her. Just okay, now as you get closer to the top, you're gonna start looking. Okay, now step, 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 step. Good job. There, now engagement. There you go. Awesome.
Yes. That was so great.
Okay, now take her for a little walk, give her a stretch around, and we'll go back down again.
I'd like to say kudos to Raina and her dog and animal-loving nature. I think we need more people in this world like her to make it a safer and happier place. And thanks so much for sharing your videos and time with me, and to get this channel up and running. You can also check out Raina's channel at Puppy Pony Love. Please remember to submit the videos of you and your dogs to the email provided in the description. I did also put some of the parameters I'm looking for in the email description as well. Please like and subscribe and join our dog-loving community to support the channel. Together we'll continue sharing our passion for dogs, and we'll see you on the next one.